Hello, this is Andre. Welcome to Refinitiv Icon. So I want to show you in this video how you can download Icon into your PC and into your laptop and your tablets. So first of all, once you have your Icon user ID and password from welcome email, what you do is you simply open Icon web browser from Google Chrome web browser, and then you simply type on the search bar icon.refinitiv.com like so, and then you will come into this page. So once you come into this page, you can see the PC requirement and all this. The first thing you do is you click on the sign in and download. So you click on it, you hit accept, and then you choose the country where you're in. In this instance, I'm going to use Singapore for my location, and then you click download. So once you hit download, you save it into any of your download folder, and then you double click on the installer and simply follow step-by-step instruction from there. Once you have Icon downloaded, and once you have your user ID and password, in the future, you can go to Icon. You can access the market data on Icon simply by clicking the Icon web access here. In this instance, I'm showing you mine because mine is already remembered by the browser cache. So you simply put your user ID and password, and then you can see the Icon web access. Thank you for watching this, and let me know if you have any questions.